we acknowledge that this was presented on the country of the Darug people of the Darug nation and acknowledge their ancestors who have been traditional owners of the country for thousands of years. We also wish to acknowledge and pay our respect to the Darug people's elders, past, present, and emerging. The vignette raises concerns over her mental well-being, academic achievements, and attendance, likely due to cyberbullying. I have seen Mia preoccupied and constantly distressed from the past couple of days. So one day I decided to step in and share a word with her. Hi Mia, how are you?
I'm good.
I want to have a word with you. Can we have a good talk now?
Yes.
I have seen you less engaged and preoccupied with your phone. Other staff members have also mentioned that you don't show up for the class. Is there anything in this regards that you would like to share?
I'm really sorry, but lately I have not been able to focus on my studies. I'm feeling like that I'm way behind my peers. I really want to do well at school and go to uni and take up my favorite subject, that is visual arts, but I'm really so distressed right now.
The vignette has documented several critical developmental problems such as physical or biological development, which refers to biological advancements in puberty, physical maturity, sex hormones, and reproductive maturation. Our ability to respond to others, control our feelings, communicate effectively, and shape identity is social development. It essentially represents the basis upon which we positively connect with others in terms of family, peers, and other relationships. Cognitive growth is the ability to interpret thoughts, solve problems, remember things, and make decisions. Cognitive development. Mia complains of forgetting lesson material and being unable to keep up with class. Her attendance patterns seem to influence her cognitive performance. Since Mia's parents do not speak English well, they struggle to help Mia understand complex tasks. It is probable that parents are not able to assist Mia in her homework. As Mia is physically more mature, she is undergoing cyberbullying, which in turn is the cause of her distress.